In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up accounts receivable in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll understand how to track money owed to your business when customers don't pay you right away, and how QuickBooks handles that in the background. Let's start with the basic idea. Accounts receivable is simply the money your customers owe you for products or services you've already provided. Instead of getting paid on the spot, you send an invoice, and the customer pays later. QuickBooks Online has a built-in, standard way to track this, so you don't have to create any special accounts or complicated setups. You just use invoices, and QuickBooks does the rest behind the scenes. To begin, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and look toward the top of the screen for the plus sign labeled New. This is your main shortcut for creating transactions. Go ahead and click on New, and from the menu that appears, choose Invoice. This is the key transaction type QuickBooks uses to create and track accounts receivable. Once the invoice form opens, you'll see a field to choose a customer from a drop-down list. Select the customer who owes you money. If they're not already in your list, you can add them as a new customer right from that same drop-down. Taking a moment to enter accurate customer information now will make future invoicing much faster and your reports much cleaner. Next, fill in the essential details on the invoice. Set the invoice date, and if needed, adjust the due date so it matches your payment terms, like net 15 or net 30. Then add the products or services you provided. Choose the correct item, enter the quantity, rate, and any applicable tax. Make sure the total amount matches what you agreed on with your customer. Clear descriptions help avoid confusion and can reduce questions or payment delays later on. When everything looks correct, save the invoice. You can save it and send it to the customer by email, or just save it if you plan to send it another way. As soon as you save, QuickBooks automatically adds that amount to your accounts receivable. In accounting terms, it records a debit to accounts receivable and a credit to your income account, all without you having to post any journal entries manually. That's all you need to set up and start using accounts receivable in QuickBooks Online. Create an invoice, fill in the details, and let QuickBooks track who owes you, how much, and when it's due.